Welcome back to Broke SEDC. Got another CJRB. This is the, was it the Perfect Locust? This one's a classy carbon. That it is. Got a little DLC coating. Man, I kind of like it. Little thumb disc action. This one has got the S90V blade still on that little spear point. Black DLC coating, flat ground blade, and S90V spear point. Titanium and carbon fiber. Titanium clip, button lock with the safety switch. Riding on them ceramic bearings. And this 7.28 inch open is weighing in at 3.35 and O to the Z. Got the little safety switch that blends in. Turn this thing into all but a fixed blade. Solid lock up. But feels pretty solid with that. Nice disengagement and drop. Thumb disc gets it done everything. I mean, this thing is all but a sliver from being a gentleman's carry. It is got a reversible clip with the nice thank you plug in there. Open design with the hidden lanyard hole. Little barrel spacer action. It is classy. It is stylish. Dead nut center. This is at home, at the opera, as well as the field, I think. All four fingers rest pretty nice on it. Thumb disc give you somewhere for the thumb to play. Like I said, it's real clean with the hardware and the billboarding. Love it, hate it. Pretty simple. I'll give you my opinion. It does look good. I kind of like it, but it's not. Just not my style. But I don't want to hate on it. It does everything well and it looks good. Just not something I would carry on the day-to-day. What do y'all think? Is it something you're lusting after? Or it looks cool, let it pass? Y'all? Hit that thumbs up button. Check out the Knifeholics on Saturday night. It does snap pretty good. Stay sharp. Stay safe.